Vasovagal syncope, the most common type of fainting, not dangerous, but can cause sudden falls that can cause injuries or concussions, can now be predicted with higher accuracy thanks to Samsung. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. Samsung worked with Chung-Ang University Hospital to develop new monitoring techniques for the Galaxy Watch 6. Vasovagal syncope fainting happens when someone's heart rate and blood pressure drop abruptly after your body overreacts to certain triggers like the sight of blood or extreme emotional distress, and up to 40% people may experience these episodes. During the research, the team evaluated 132 patients with suspected VVS symptoms during induced fainting tests. They used a Galaxy Watch's photoplethysmography sensor, which measures heart rate and heart rhythm, and analyzed the patient's heart rate variability data with an AI algorithm. It successfully predicted fainting episodes for up to 5 minutes with 84.6% accuracy. Samsung wrote, "This study is an example of how wearable technology can help shift healthcare from being designed for post-care to a model of preventative care." Samsung called the study a world-first breakthrough in fainting prediction. Samsung didn't say when or if such a feature would become available to Galaxy Watch users. The company wants to be cautious about implementing VVS detection as there's some potential for legal or regulatory issues. However, Samsung said that it intends to implement personalized preventative health solutions. And for that, Samsung's already put health alert features like sleep apnea, blood oxygen, heart irregularity, and antioxidant detection in its Galaxy Watch 8. So left to see if or when this VVS fainting detection thing rolls out. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.